Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating an under-fun coding game by ourselves. So this game is called the Flappy game. You guys might know this, but today we're going to be creating it ourselves. So first of all, let me tell you guys the rules of this game. So we are going to be like the way, you're going to have an obstacle, and if Flappy touches the obstacle, he's gonna the score is going to be set to 0, so you have to start from first. And in between those obstacles there's going to be some space. If Flappy crosses the space, he will get a point. If Flappy falls down on the ground, he loses and the game is over. Now let's take a preview of this game before we start making it. So the game is over. Let's try it one more time. So that's how it works. Now let's get into making our own game. Alright, I'm on my CodeDark dashboard. I'm going to click on this to go to my project rating page. So here am I. I always like to first name it. I'm just going to name it Flappy. You can name it anything you want. Click save. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to start our code. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my player. And I'm going to set my player a spaceship. Now, see, I'm only doing a spaceship. You guys could pick whatever you want. Next thing is I'm going to set the speed of that player. So, as you could see, set speed. I'm going to set it very fast. Then I'm going to set the ground. Okay, let me move that a bit. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to set my obstacle. Then after that, I'm going to set the gap between those obstacles. So, again, the obstacle, you could pick it. I'm going to put a laser. And the gap would be normal. Now let's start with our first when block. So, when clicked, flap a normal amount. And play that sound. I'm going to pick that sound. So, our next when block is going to be when hit the ground. So when hit the ground, whenever Flappy hits the ground or the spaceship hits the ground, I'm going to play a sound. I'm going to play a sad sound. Then the game is going to be ended. When Flappy hits an obstacle, I'm going to play another sound. This time, a laser sound. And go ahead. Okay, set score 0. So when Flappy goes through that space, I'm gonna go ahead and play point sound like that, and Flappy's gonna score a point. Now is the fun part. We're gonna be trying out our game we made. So let's kick one. That's really fun. So I think one fun part about this game is you make your own game, then you have fun with your own game that you made. So that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed making a new game with me. It was a really quick and fun one to make. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell button for more videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye bye.